In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font on your Substack publication. Whether you're aiming to refresh your content's look or simply want your text to stand out, personalizing your font choice is a fantastic way to achieve that. Now let's walk through the steps to customize your Substack font effortlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to your Substack dashboard. This is your home base where all your content and settings live, so getting familiar with this area can be quite beneficial. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top part of the page, where you'll find the settings option. Clicking on it will lead you deeper into the customization features Substack has to offer. Next, you'll notice a panel on the left side of the screen. Here, you want to select the website option. This is essentially your toolbox for all things related to how your publication looks. Within the website settings, look for the publication theme drop-down menu. It's here that you'll need to choose the custom theme option. This is crucial because selecting a custom theme is what unlocks the ability to play around with fonts. After you've picked the custom theme, there will be an option that says Go to Website Theme Editor. Click on that and you'll be transported into the theme editor, a space where you can really start to play around with the appearance of your site. Now within the theme editor, direct yourself over to the branding section. This is the heart of where you can project your personality through design tweaks. Within branding, look for the typography section. This is where the magic happens regarding your font choices. Here you can click to open either the head or body font drop down depending on which part of the text you're interested in changing. Maybe you want a bold and striking heading or a smooth and readable body text. Substack provides numerous options to pick from, so explore until you find one that complements your tone and style. Once you've found the font that speaks to your vision, go ahead and select it. But don't forget, the key here is to make sure everything aligns with the overall aesthetic you envision for your publication. So take your time and make a choice that truly represents your content. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, be sure to click Save to confirm your font changes. This might seem like a small step, but it makes all the difference. Saving your work ensures that your changes won't be lost and that your readers will experience your new, tailored look as intended. And there you have it, a simple but powerful way to customize your Substack using the theme editor. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that you're now ready to give your publication a brand new look with just a few clicks. Enjoy designing your unique style and happy writing.